It's going to be a fantastic day. Some of the forest kids are getting ready for one of their favorite activities. But before they can participate, they have to put on these special suits. They're bee suits. These forest kids are getting ready to become beekeepers. When you're going to see the bees, you must be dressed for safety. It's important to cover your entire body so that you don't get stung by the bees.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all there.
Yeah.
These long gloves protect little hands.
Push them all right into their hole. Very good.
The younger kids are getting help today from their junior leader. She's been a forest kid since she was a toddler. Now she's 8. Cool. It's time to go see the bees. These wooden boxes are called beehives. The forest kids and their leaders are going to inspect them. Inside these beehives, there are cells or compartments packed together. The junior leader is carrying the bee smoker. A bee smoker is used in beekeeping to keep the honeybees from getting excited or upset. The smoker is hot, so everyone has to be careful not to touch it. The smoker has a bellow that's attached to a tin burner. The bellow pushes air into the burner and forces the smoke out. That smoke keeps the bees calm. Now the forest kid's leader can open the hive and check on the bees. Look at all of those bees! There are thousands of them. Bees live in a colony, and this colony lives in this beehive. These little chambers are called honeycombs. The bees are working hard to make sweet, golden honey. It's full of vitamins and minerals. The honey comes from the pollen and sticky nectar that worker bees collect from flowers. At the hive, the bees turn the nectar into honey. The honeycombs store the nectar. The bees fan their wings over the honeycomb so that most of the water from the nectar disappears. Bees cover the cells with wax to protect their honey. That's clever! There are many different types of bees, but only the honeybee can make honey. In its whole lifetime, a single bee only produces about 1.5 teaspoons of honey. Bees live in really big groups, which means they can make a lot of honey when they work together. Everything looks fine in this hive. It's time to close it up again to keep the bee colony safe. The bees can still come and go to get more pollen and make more honey. Honeybees are super important flying insects who make every day sweeter. What is that sound? It's feeding time for the chickens. They eat pellets and scraps of food from the kitchen. They're pecking at the pellets that the forest kids have tossed to them. Actually, chickens will eat just about anything they can get their beaks on. Baby chickens are called chicks, and today the forest kids are meeting them for the first time.
He likes you. Now hold tight, but don't squeeze him. He's crazy. That was priceless.
These chicks are born from eggs that take 21 days to hatch.
I think it has a smell.
The hen, or female chicken, sits on her eggs to keep them warm so that the chicks are born healthy. It's important to hold these baby birds carefully because their tiny bodies are fragile. The forest kids are off to the chicken coop to collect some eggs. The chicken coop is where the hens stay safe at night. They have nests in the coop for laying eggs. 1, 2, 3. That's awesome! What's that noise? There are ducks here too, and they've decided to go swimming in their very own wading pool. Ducks are known as waterfowl because they spend so much time in places with water. Ducks love to swim and splash. It's a hot day, and taking a swim is absolutely the perfect way to cool off. Those lucky ducks! See you next time!